finding out. This is the lipstick I use. I use Maybelline Super Stay Matte, and it's a very bright red. I like bright red lipstick. I wanted to tell you guys the number, but I can't see. Well, I can't see the number. I'll put it in the description box. So I'm not putting too much. I'm just going to carry the lipstick in my bag today. Hi guys. Finally saying hi in the vlog. But yeah, I'm trying to pick what jewelry to wear today, because I'm going to wear the bracelets. What earrings I should wear. The dress has a bit of yellow, as you can see. So I have these white earrings that have sort of like a yellow thing. So I'm thinking, should I do these? Should I do these? These are like, it's like bronze but flowers. So I'm undecided. Let's do these. So I've decided we are doing too much. I've added this, the hairband. So too much it is. See you guys. I'm not in the frame well, but yeah, the first we ordered for chicken something, and it came with a soup first. So Dan has told me that I have to squeeze this lemon into the soup, and then taste. So I'm going to taste and see how it is. Good. It's like chicken broth. It's like chicken broth, but like boiled. So it tastes really nice. It's nice. And I think the lemon adds in like an extra taste. Okay.
It's like gold. This is.
Give us your review of the soup.
Yeah, I think it's good. The lemon gives it that tanginess and also cuts down on the fat. But it's awesome. It's warm. It's really. Though I would recommend. I think this is good on a very cold day. Yeah. On a very cold day, this would be good, but anytime, I think this is amazing. Write the name of the meal in like the top comments. But for now, I want to make a Thousand Island, but
what's the Thousand Island?
Is not good.
What is a Thousand
A
Island?
Thousand Island is that salad dressing, the pink mayonnaise you usually eat from Java's.
You know how to make it?
It's just a mixture of ketchup, quality ketchup and mayonnaise.
Oh.
But this I have yogurt. Let me see that taste because the yogurt is tasteless.
The meat is really nice.
The meat is nice.
Like it's
Try the yogurt.
tender. I try it like with the meat.
No, just
it's nice. It's
try
like
this.
dipping. Let me try that. Make for me. I want yours. Make for me.
Vicky. So Vicky, what they are going to give you this because your lamb chop is not there.
Apparently, they don't have lamb
They don't
chops.
have lamb chops.
Why, they're not shipping this country?
I know. Not the ones they want.
Why? Me, I want the person who made the phone call to do the anti-go first. I was there on my own chill, and then the chief convened.
Okay, Kale done one thing that we're all doing one thing that Brenda has done because we're celebrating her today. So one thing that she has done that has changed your life, it can be normal, not changed actually, but one thing about her that
changed me, so
yeah, so it's your
For me,
turn.
I don't think it's about that one thing she has done. Because I would like to say that every act of kindness is really equal. But for me, I think she's this one person who will stick around. Like, who will be there. You can really count on her. You can rely on her. Whether she's broke or she's what, she will make sure she's available. Yeah. So I think that's for me one thing I tell you about really friendships. People who can be there, even when you're not talking, you know that when you are there and you need them, they will always be there. And I think she's that one person.
Okay. So for me, Brenda has been an incredible gift in my life. She is okay. I always tell her that she stopped being a friend and she became a sister. I feel like we have sort of complemented each other, you know, and you know when you meet someone and you speak the same language, and I think I found that with Brenda. And like we've had such intimate moments together, we've been through so much together. So one thing that I really love about Brenda, she knows I love her so much, but one thing that I love about her is her ability to be present and to listen. So I really like that about her. She's a very kind person and she's someone who can sit with you. You know those friends who can sit with you through everything, whether it's happiness, whether it's sadness, anything. So we celebrate you, Brenda, and we love you so much.
Love you too, my dear darling. This is so nice.
I know.
Proud to have you in my life.
Very proud of
I
you.
treasure you. Yeah.
Eat your rice.
Thank you for this today, Vanna, for this today.
You've eaten the
Rice
meat.
done, thank you
You've
so
eaten the
much.
meat. What about the rice?
Okay, so first of all, I haven't seen Brenda like since when?
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
Just call me.
Yeah, but the thing about Brenda is, like Daniel said, she's such a kind soul. Like, I think at some point I was going through my own mix in my life, and but like, you know, someone you can talk to, and you know, I'm not going to be judged in this mix.
No condemnation.
No, yeah, like it's the kindness and the gentleness that she's there. Oh my goodness, she's
Are you blushing?
yeah. So with that, I would say that I'll do my best to stay in touch, sometimes life takes us in different directions. Like, you are a friend worth keeping, like, for real. Yeah. Brenda. But Dan, let's see the cake. Can we see the cake?
The cake.
Yeah.
The reckless chef.
Dan makes cakes, by the way. First, tell them what is it called.
This is our cake. Yes. So we do rustic cakes. Yeah, so kindly support me.
Yeah.
Reckless Chef Uganda on Instagram. Yeah, Instagram, yes. Reckless Chef Uganda on Instagram. Kindly support me. I sell very delicious things. Try them and you'll know.
Okay, I'll put your number in the description
Please
box.
do.
Hey guys, so we are done with eating at the restaurant. Had a very good time. Emirates Grills is really nice. Highly recommend. It's located at the Cube Cement. I'm going to leave details in the top comments. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching the video. I even packed leftover food. I enjoyed the meal so much. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in another video. Bye.